it's that time again. Question of the day time. Now, the question of the day is, do you think that parents can love their children equally if it's a house divided? And if you don't know what that means like if one kid goes to one college and another kid goes to the other college. Like, one of their kids goes to Duke and one of their kids goes to, UNC. I think that personally, no. You're going to like one of those schools better and you're going to favor that kid more. Now, I'm not saying that you just downright have to come out and tell that child that goes to UNC that you don't love them as much. But, just don't put as much for them in the will, maybe. Or when Christmas rolls around, just buy a whole lot more for the other kid, the one that goes to Duke. Do it very subtle, okay? So, the question of the day is, if you have two children, okay, and they both go to different colleges, do you support them equally and love them just as much as the other one? Maybe one of them goes to your alumni school or, and the other one you're like, what? Where is that college even at? So, that is the question. And I would love to know your input. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I will have a fantastic question for you tomorrow. And bye.